welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. For today, you guys can see I played with some colors. I feel like my last two videos were more like neutral glam, natural glam videos. So for this one, I thought I would go back into colors. So this is what I came up with. I used my So Jaded Kathleen Lights times Colourpop palette. It's gonna be a voiceover just because I didn't really know, there's so many shades in this one, so I didn't really know what to do. I didn't plan it or anything. I was just winging. I just winged it basically. I knew I wanted to use like some of these colors here, but I didn't know how I was gonna like place them and how I was gonna do it. So yeah, it's a voiceover for this video for today. I hope you guys don't mind, but I think I'm gonna do voiceovers and like talk throughs like on and off, like alternating between two for now. So we'll see how it goes. And yeah, so at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how, maybe like even during the voiceover, you guys are probably gonna see how it went with this palette. And then, you know what, I'll just leave it for the end, and the voiceover, you guys are gonna see what comments I have about this palette. It's really, yeah, I'll just leave it for later. Yeah, so I'm just happy to be back with another colorful makeup look. Just so you guys know, all of my social media are down below, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post pictures of my makeup looks and other things sometimes, not really, but whatever. And yeah, so we'll just get into it, and I just hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so let's just get started. So I took my palette, Kathleen Lights times Colourpop palette, and taking my big blending brush. As a first shade, I'm using your gem. Put it in my crease, blending it. So this is our transition color. Next, I took the shade Carnelian, sorry I can't really see the name, and I took my smaller blending brush and put it more inside the crease, so it's more of a vibrant color in the crease. Obviously, so I'm packing it on and then blending it with a smaller blending brush. So basically you want to pack it on up until you find it's the right shade that you want. After that, I cut my crease, and then I'm using the color Amethyst, that purple gorgeous shade. I'm taking a smudger brush to pack on the purple shade all over the lid. I'm going mostly in the middle, leaving a little bit of the inner corner bare and also the outer corner bare, so mostly in the middle. You really want to pack it on, but that shade is so beautiful and easy to work with. It was so easy. Next, I'm taking the color Alexandrite and another packing brush, and I'm putting it in the inner corner. Honestly, those two shades were a bit too similar. You guys gonna see I'm probably gonna put another shade in the inside, but for now that's what I did. After I took the color Sapphire, and I took like a bullet brush to work in my outer corner, So for the outer corner, I was packing it on with the bullet brush and then taking like a small eyeshadow brush, trying to blend it. But you guys can see like the shade just went away all the time. I was packing it on, blending it. Here you can see myself, I was getting pissed off basically because the shade just didn't want to cooperate. Here I'm trying again, packing it on and then blending it to see how it works, trying to blend it with the purple shade. But every time I was trying to blend it, the shade would just disappear, and it was just such a pain to work with, so annoying, but whatever. You can see I was basically done, but I still try to make it work. And yeah, so here I'm really done. And then here I just removed the blue shade because I was just annoyed. So what I did, I took the color Amethyst and just put it all over the lid up until the outer corner. And then I went into the shade Fluorite, and this is what I put in the inner corner just to make it more vibrant, more different, just so like it pops more. Next, I'm cleaning up the outer edges with some concealer. You can use whatever concealer. I think this one was the Fit Me concealer, and I'm just blending the edges so it looks all right. And then I'm going into a pencil liner. Next, I took the shade Turquoise and an angle brush, and I'm just lining my lower lash line. I just wanted to pop color on the lower lash line.
honestly at this point I was just like, you know what, nothing's working. But the shade was really, really nice, really, really easy to work with. I'm putting on a bit of mascara, top and bottom lashes, and that's it.
Okay guys, this is how it went. You guys probably saw that it didn't really go the way I wanted it to go at first, because first of all, I didn't plan it. Like I said in the intro, I didn't plan it. I just took the palette. There was so many shades, I didn't know which shade to use. I knew I wanted to use those shades here, but I didn't know like where, how, and how to like put it all together, I guess. And yeah, so I'm just gonna talk about a few shades that I thought were weird. This one blended really nicely. It was really, really nice. This one, it was nice. This is what I have in my crease, you guys saw. It's really, really nice. It's just when you pack it on, and then when you want to blend it, it kind of disappears a little bit, so you have to build it up a bit more. I find that kind of pissed me off a little bit. This one, beautiful shade, really pigmented, so beautiful. Like with the brush or with your fingers, like it's really, really nice. This one too. These two are a bit similar on me, to be honest, because I kind of wanted to do like a gradient, but it ended up being really, really similar on my skin tone, so it's something to keep in mind. For these two shades here, it's not exactly the same, but it's really similar. That's why I put this one on top, so to put like a bit more like shimmer. You guys can see like I have a bit more shimmer here, so that's what I did. This shade, so beautiful, so pigmented. I thought it was gonna skip a little bit, but that's what I have on my under eye, lower lash line, and it's so nice, so pigmented. Like once you like pack it on, it's really like bold. You guys can see it's bold and it's like pigmented. This shade here, this is where like it all went left for me. Like I don't know what happened. I wanted to put this in the outer corner, as you guys saw. At first this was in the outer corner. I would pack it on, and then basically when I took my blending brush, it would just basically disappear, and it would look like almost gray. It wouldn't even look like this shade here. It wouldn't look marine blue. So I don't know, like I don't know what's wrong with the shade, and there's a lot of fallout too. I don't know if it's supposed to be like some kind of pigment, like a pressed pigment or whatever, but it didn't work at all for me. That's why like it was falling everywhere. Like even my desk is like blue now. There's a lot of kickback on this shade here. Pack it on, it's through the color, blend it, it disappears. It almost looks like black, gray, whatever color that was, and I didn't like it. You guys saw I couldn't blend it, so that's why I just took it off, and I basically just moved my purple all the way through here, all the way to the outer. Also, it skipped, so when I would like pack it on, sometimes it would skip on my lid. Like I would have to like go back where like it wasn't as pigmented as the other area, so like everything with the same pigment. I'm gonna try to use it again and see, like maybe I'll use like more of these colors here. I don't know what shade I'm gonna use. I'm just talking right now, and see if all of her like matte shades work the same way. But for now, I mean, this is good. The thing is I didn't blend it, but this one too, like when I blended it, it was just like I had to work more than I usually work with it. The shades are beautiful in this palette. Like the story of the palette is like beautiful, like really, really nice. You guys can see it's so pretty. It's just like it's just weird that it didn't perform like the other Colourpop palette. But like I said, I'm gonna use it again, maybe like in the near future, after like a couple months. I'm gonna use it again, and we'll see. I'll give it another chance because I really do love the colors in this palette. Yeah, so this is my quick review of the palette. I love working with this palette, even if like it's skipped, because there's so many nice shades, so many nice colors. So it's like I was willing to make the extra effort because the shades were so pretty, you know? Yeah, so thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, my social media are down below. Yeah, so that's all I have to say for today. Thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!